everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with them. That's a soapy stories and to talk about House of Zwide, your favorite soapy guys. Season 2, House of Zwide, keep us glued on our television. Impilo ya Faith guys, ihlangahlangene isiphithipitho ngasazi. Here's lawyer utabati ufunani owabula lubusi. On the other side, ubusi naye uyazilwela, uyapoka upokela uFaith, and uFaith can't even sleep well at night because of this whole situation. So guys, she's not in the right state of mind. Tonight, Busi's ghost will visit Faith while she's busy with the journalist, denying Wabula Lubusi, claiming that she's innocent, and guess what? She will have a public meltdown. Busi's ghost will then convince Faith to come clean, telling her ukuthi ufunani ufuna umfazi unkosi no ona bafuna umama futhi bayamthanda uFaith because bazi yena ngoba ubusi can't come back enyameni again because she is normal. Busi assured Faith that if she comes clean, the Zwides will forgive her and allow her back to the family. But the reality of the story guys ukuthi ubusi ufuna revenge. Isizulu sithi akunazinyane lengwenya ladliwa izimvubu maqede kwathula isiziba. The Zwides will use Faith's confession to take her where she belongs ngoba uFaith uzobabiza bahlalise phansi abatshele lonke iqiniso ukuthi kwenzekani ngalobuya busuku ecabanga ukuthi ke mangabe sebatshelile everything will be normal. While celebrating her trial date or Faith's trial date or Zwide, the unexpected will happen. Faith will be admitted to hospital and I'm sure she is going to a psychiatric hospital ngoba hayi bafethu season 2 shanela ngaye phansi uFaith. Looking forward to what will actually happen to Faith and will Funani ever forgive Faith babe a happy family again. That is for us to find out guys. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.